Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Car and Driver Road Patrol Touch Duo dash cam.
Ian, car and driver, sent us this for the review.
All right, so this is a dash cam that you can use in your car. Now it's standalone. It doesn't need an app or the cloud or anything like that, but it does record on a little SD card on the cam itself.
Yeah, so the SD card, which they give you, by the way, I already have it installed, so you can tell. And it does that and has a micro USB connector so you can power it up. And the way it works is basically you just plug this into your cigarette lighter using the cigarette lighter connector, and it'll power up. And when you turn the car on, the dash cam comes on. When you power it off, the dash cam goes off. And just for fun, I bought us a little adapter because some cars don't have cigarette lighters. So you can actually buy these, and this little adapter didn't come with it, and we picked it up separately. And basically, it's a cigarette lighter, and it connects up to USB-A, so you can always power this thing up. And it's been kind of handy for us as we test this out, so it works out pretty good. But it comes with all the cables you need to hook things up, and this is a cool
It
thing.
has, yeah, this is really cool. It's called the Duo because it has two cameras. So this one you can use in a bunch of different ways. You can actually plug it in and face it towards you. Oops.
Keep dropping things here. All right, so this plugs into the bottom here. So like this. Snaps in, and of course it rotates, so you can have any way you want. So like this is if you're in the car, it looks like this, right? That's out the front. And then this shows out back, and of course you got the screen.
And you can use this little stretchy thing, so you can mount it. You can put it, around the back of the seat, so you can watch somebody in the back seat, maybe your kids. Or you can also hook it up to that big long cable, and you can put it way in the back in your back window of your car, so you can use it kind of as a backup camera.
Yes, actually use both pieces here.
Oh, you have to use that for that?
Yes, because see, this here plugs it in here. You don't need the strap, obviously, but you can take one of these little suction cup things. They give you two, one for the main camera, one from this one here, and then this plugs into here, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And then you run the cable down to, oops, the wrong end, I guess, right here. And you just run that to the back, so you can put it behind your seat, or you can put it all the way to the back window because this cable is really long.
So this is really cool. So you can see everything that's going on while you're on the road, and it also has some features it'll help you with blind spot monitoring and stuff like that. And so it's a really cool dash cam.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, we didn't mention this, but it comes with little clippy things that you can use to
So
make
you
the
can
wires
mount your
neat.
cables up so they look nice and neat inside your car.
And in a card, it tells you who to call when you can't figure out how to use it. So, but there's it's all driven by the menus on here, and as Valerie mentioned, it does hook up to your phone, so you have to go through the menus on here, but they're very clear and easy to understand.
All right. So that is the Car and Driver Road Patrol Touch Duo dash cam, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.